Practice to discriminate the inner guidance from the outer noise.
Cela demande de la pratique de distinguer entre le guide intérieur et le bruit extérieur.
Because we have also a lot of influences from outside, apart from our mind.
Parce que non seulement nous avons l'influence de notre propre mental, mais aussi de l'extérieur.
So we have to practice. That's why you must meditate every day.
Donc il faut pratiquer et c'est pour cela qu'il faut méditer tous les jours.
Yes, to remember who you are and that you are the real decider.
Pour se rappeler qui nous sommes et que nous sommes le vrai décideur.
You are the real master of your own destiny.
Que vous êtes le vrai maître de votre destinée.
Then you can decide things.
Et alors vous pourrez décider des choses.
And not being influenced by your brainwashed mind or the influence of other people and situations.
Et alors, vous ne pourrez plus être influencé par votre mental qui a été conditionné et par les autres à l'extérieur et les situations extérieures.
It's very difficult, I know.
Je sais que c'est très difficile.
That's why I tell you, continue to meditate.
C'est pour ça que je vous dis de toujours continuer à méditer.
If it's easy, I say, okay, come, get initiation, and then just die. No need to do anything else.
Si c'était facile, je vous aurais dit, venez vous initier, et puis après, il n'y aura plus qu'à mourir, il n'y a rien d'autre à faire.
We have been born in this world, life after life, and we have collected a lot of garbage.
Nous sommes nés dans ce monde vie après vie et nous avons collecté beaucoup de déchets, de mauvaises choses.
And now even if you want to do good, you want to be good, it's still a struggle.
Et maintenant, quand vous voulez être bon, quand vous voulez faire du bien, ça demande encore des combats et de la lutte.
Many people I know that, so their last life they did many horrible things, and this life they follow me already, they follow the teaching, and they really try to discipline themselves. But the residues of their past horrendous karma are still clutching onto their being and still do harm unintentionally.
Je connais des gens qui ont eu des vies passées pas très belles et qui me suivent dans cette vie et qui pratiquent, mais à cause des résidus qui s'accrochent encore à eux et qui les retiennent, ils arrivent encore à faire des choses pas très bien.
Because like past life, past life that is something, and the energy is still hanging around in the universe. So whenever they're reborn again, it comes running, clutching back to them again.
Parce qu'on dit que qui se ressemblent, s'assemblent, les énergies qu'ils ont collectées mauvaises dans la dernière vie, elles les suivent dans cette vie-là, et quoi qu'ils essayent de faire, elles ressortent.
So sometimes they don't even want to do anything harmful, but by being themselves, they can cause harm to other people, or even to me.
Et parfois, même s'ils veulent pas faire de mal, eh bien, ils arrivent quand même, même en voulant pas faire de mal ni à maître ni aux autres, ils font quelque chose de pas très bien.
Mm-hmm. That is what is meant by the master takes on the karma of the disciples.
Et c'est ce qu'on veut dire par le maître prend le karma des disciples. Et c'est ce que l'on entend par le maître prend le karma des disciples.
Okay. And so, consequently, it's similar to you. You might also be influenced by the karma of other people as well.
Et donc, par conséquent, c'est ce qui peut te correspondre et que tu peux être influencé par le karma des autres.
So it takes a lot of sincerity and reflection in order to be yourself again, to be your saintly self, your godly self again, in order to really know what is good for you and not to be influenced by external circumstances or other people's minds and opinions, and even your own mind.
Et donc, cela va te demander beaucoup de réflexion et beaucoup de pratique pour être vraiment... pour se retrouver vraiment soi et avoir son esprit sain, son esprit de pratique, de ne pas être influencé par les autres et d'être son vrai soi.
This world is like that. is a big influence on everybody.
Ce monde est comme ça. Il a une grosse influence sur tous.
I know some people who I knew from past lives. They came from 5th level, 4th level, and they come down here. They still mixing around and doing like everybody else, and even not very proper conduct sometimes, because they've been influenced so much by all kinds of traditions, backgrounds, parents' teachings, school teaching, society, national interest, everything. And they do not even get up to the 5th level again or the 4th level again in this lifetime. They have to be reborn and do it again. They don't even find a master. For example, like that. I knew some, but they will not, of course, go down into the hell or anything like that after they die. But still, they won't regain their original status because they were born into this world. Very dangerous world we are in. And they plague me also with all kinds of disaster and trouble and suffering, just to keep me here even. Myself. But we have to know what we want, We have to. We don't give up. We have to go above all this in order to get home. That's all I can tell you. Okay? Bless yourself, protect yourself with the things I teach you, with all the moral measurements also. And then you will be safer. And then you will get back your status, okay? A divine status. Otherwise, you can be divine also, but lower level, Low 3rd level, middle 3rd level, maybe, or high 3rd level, but not above the 3rd world. Or maybe not above the 4th world, to go back to the 5th world. Among us, among our group, and only among our group, there are some people from the 6th and 7th levels who came down to assist my mission also. But right now, they're not even on the 4th. Or the 4th maybe, but not even the 5th yet. Do you understand what I'm saying? The way home is more difficult than the way down here. To slide out on the slide is easy. Or from the mountain top to the mountain foot is easier than to climb back up. Capish? So be diligent. That's all I can tell you. And judge things by the moral standards. The 5 precepts. See if anything harmful or not to anybody according to that. That is a guideline for you. And then protect yourself by reciting the holy names all the time and concentrate within whenever you can. The holy names. And keep the gift with you. Whoever got the gift. Anything that helps you, you keep it with you all the time. All right? Then, even if you don't know whether this is a master talking inside or is this your mind interpreting, at least you don't do any harm. And you're protected. Okay? All right.